Every morning, millions make the same mistake, hitting snooze, feeling exhausted, and staying stuck. But what if I told you there's a secret to waking up energized, one that 95% of people don't know? Most people believe that feeling tired in the morning is simply because they didn't sleep long enough. But the truth is, the number of hours you sleep doesn't guarantee energy. It's about how you wake up. Every night, your body goes through sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts around 90 minutes and consists of light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. The problem begins when your alarm wakes you up in the middle of a deep sleep phase. That's why you wake up feeling groggy, even if you slept for 8 hours or more. But the biggest mistake people make, hitting snooze. The moment you press that button, your brain gets tricked into restarting another sleep cycle. When the alarm rings again, you're even deeper in sleep, making it harder to wake up. Another reason you feel tired is what you do before bed. Scrolling on your phone, drinking caffeine late at night, or falling asleep without a fixed schedule confuses your brain and ruins your sleep quality. The real problem isn't that you're not sleeping enough, it's that you're waking up the wrong way. And until you fix that, no amount of sleep will make you feel truly energized. Every time you hit snooze, you send a powerful message to your brain. I'm not ready to win today. And that single decision affects everything. Think about it. When you start your day by delaying action, that hesitation follows you. You rush through your morning, feeling behind before the day has even begun. Deadlines slip. Motivation fades. Your dreams take a back seat. Now look at the most successful people. They don't wake up just because they have to. They wake up because they've trained their minds for success. Science proves it. When you snooze, your brain enters another sleep cycle, leaving you groggy and unfocused for hours. That's why your mornings feel exhausting no matter how much sleep you get. But here's the real danger. Snoozing isn't just about sleep, it's about mindset. Every morning, you have a choice. Control your day or let it control you. So ask yourself, how many opportunities have you missed just because you weren't fully awake? Because here's the truth, if you keep snoozing, you'll keep losing. But if you're ready to break free, keep watching, because I'm about to show you exactly how to fix it. Most people struggle with waking up early because they fight against their own biology. But what if there was a way to wake up at 5 a.m., feeling fully refreshed and energized every single morning? Here's the secret. It's not about willpower. It's about strategy. 1. Follow the 90-minute sleep cycle rule. Wake up at the end of a sleep cycle, not in the middle of deep sleep. Apps like Sleep Cycle can help. 2. Reprogram your mind before sleep. Tell yourself, I wake up at 5 a.m. feeling fresh and powerful. Your subconscious will believe it. 3. Use the 5-second rule. The moment your alarm rings, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up instantly. No overthinking. Try this tonight, and you'll never hit snooze again. Are you ready to take control of your mornings? Now it's your turn. Are you ready to take control of your mornings and your life? If yes, then try these techniques tonight and let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn the secret morning habits of billionaires, click on this next video now.